Okay. Hi all, we'll be doing these questions in which we'll be targeting basically the discount based questions and some additional charges questions if there are any. There are two methods. I'll tell you the trick how to solve it, and also there is one longer method. So we'll be discussing all the methods here in class, don't worry. It says my bargain cost me 240 in a sale offering 25% reductions on all items. So do we know the original price? No. Can I take the original price as X? Yes. So original price, if we don't know, I can take it as X. And they are saying that they have cost 25% reduction on all the items. And how much did I save? Okay. So if I see that 2240 is the cost after reduction. So original price is X. Deduction is 25% of X only. Of the original price, 25% of that, yes or no? This is original price. Then after original price, I have given 25% reduction. So 25% of original price. And that is the cost after the discount. How much is it? It is 240. That is what you have got, right? After discount or after reduction, I can say. So very easy. This is x upon 1, if and this is 25x upon 100. This is 240. Okay. Now if this is 100, I can try to make this as well as multiply with numerator and denominator with 100. 100x upon 100, 25x upon 100 is equals to 240. So 100 minus 25 is 75x upon 100 is 240. If the denominator is same, so we just simply do the numerator calculation. Then we just do cross multiplication. 75x is equals to 240 into 100. So we have 75x is equals to 24,000. X is equals to 24,000. 75 is getting multiplied. So over there it will get divided. So 24,000 divided by 75 is 320. So this is original cost. And after reduction, how much was it? It was 240. So how much is the discount? If you subtract both of these, 320 and 240, it was 80. So you will say that 80 was how much she saved. How much she saved is actually 80. Okay, this is the method. But I'll tell you one shortcut method and the trick to solve it. First, understand that if there is a discount question, 100 is original price. Okay. Then if it is a reduction, 25 is reduction in this question. So after 100 and giving reduction of 25, how much is left? 75. So this is after reduction. Remember that 240 is what? After reduction price. After reduction is how much? Is it 100, 25 or 75? It is 75. So whatever this 240 is, you will put it in denominator. Okay, this is 75. And whatever you have to calculate, you can even write it. What actually numerator is, you put in denominator. Okay, 240 is after reduction price. Now after reduction is 75, so you put in denominator. Then you multiply with what you want to calculate. You want to calculate your savings. How much did I save? Basically the reduction. So I need to calculate 25. Yes or no? 25 portion. What we have done is we have created portions. 100 is original price, 25 is reduction, 75 is after reduction. So you just do like this. Then you divide 240. This is basically a shortcut method. 240 divided by 75 and then multiplied by 25. So you can do this on calculator. You have 3.2 and 25 is 80. So you would directly have the reduction. Earlier you used to follow the longer method, right? I discussed both the methods with my student. The second method is more of an IB method, and the first one is a longer method but a good way to explain the concept. Okay, so you can watch it again for better understanding. Then question number 4, let's understand. Question number 4 says that a shop advertised everything half price in our sale. Okay, but also now it advertises that there are an additional 15% off prices. Overall, this is equivalent to what reduction on the original price? I'll make you understand this. See, if they are costing, let's assume that they are costing 100 as the cost. So half price of it will be how much? Half price of it will be 50, correct? Then additional 15% off. The new price is 50, so the additional 15% of 50 will be how much? It will be 15 by 2, which is 7.50. The discount, more discount. So after discount, how much will it be? Earlier it was 15, now it is 42.50 after additional price. Yes or no? Right. Now what we need to do is they're saying that how much total reduction is there? Original price was how much? 100. Original price was 100, right? And the new price, the final price is 42.50. So how much is the reduction? 100 minus 42.50, it is around 57, exactly 57.5%. You can write, because 100 is, if the price is 100, so percentage can be 100 also, and this is the final price, so the reduction is 57.5%. Okay, this was a good question. Question number 6, because in question 4 there were no values given. Question number 6, let's understand. It says the kettle in Kate's kitchen is 80% full right now. Okay, then after 20% of the water in it has been poured out, there are 1152 ml of water left. Okay, so right now it is 80% full. Okay, right now Rn, how much is it? 80% full. After 20% of the water in it, right, has been poured out, there are 1152 ml of water left. So after 20%, correct? So we don't know the full capacity right now, correct? So what we can do is, let's consider, because they are saying what volume of water the Kate's kitchen kettle hold when it's full. So we don't know the initial volume, the full capacity, so I can take it as x ml, right? Then I can say that 80% of x is, earlier how much was full? 80% of x was full, which is in decimal 0.8x. Initially it was 0.8x, right? Now 20% is poured out. Okay, 20% is poured out, that means 80% remains. Yes or no? Right, how much remains? If 20% is poured out, that means 80% of this is remains. 80% remains. So what 80%? Let's understand. 80% or 0.8. Why 0.8? Because 0.8 ही तो रहता था, right? So 80% of 0.8. This is also 0.8 into 0.8, that is 0.64x. Now they are saying that this particular water is 1152 ml of water. In the question it says there are 1152 ml of water left after 80%, right? Yes or no? 20% pour होने के बाद 1152 is left. So मैंने 20% का कुछ नहीं करा, मैंने बोला अगर 20% आपने pour कर दिया तो रह कितना गया? 80%. 80% of this 0.8. So we have 0.64x is equals to 1152. X is equals to 1152 upon 0.64, which is 1800 ml. Why? Because the whole question was in ml, or you can write 1.8 liters. Okay. Now let's come to question number 8. You can even rewatch this video. Question number 8. Alex, Hans and Stan saved up some money to buy a tent for the camping trip. Stan saved 60% of the price. 60% Like if the price is 100, so he has saved around 60 rupees. Okay, Alex has saved 40% of what was left of the price. Okay, what was left of the price, that means Stan ने अगर 60% 60 रुपीज़ सेव किया तो 40 रुपीज़ रह गए, राइट? तो एलेक्स ने उसका 40% सेव करा है, 40 का 40% सेव किया. वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट. ओके, तो वी विल राइट एलेक्स saved 40% of what's left, and Han's share of the price was 30. It's already given. What was the price of the tent? Right? So let's do one thing. Let the price be P. Let the price be P. Okay? Now, 60% Stan has saved. So I can say Stan is 60% of P, which is 0.6P. Then, how much is left? 100% में से 60% हो गया है, स्टैन ने सेव कर लिया, 40% रह गया है, राइट? सो एलेक्स ने 40% सेव किया है, 40% का 40% ऑफ 0.6 तो ऑलरेडी सेव हो गया था, तो 0.4 का सेव किया है. So 0.4, which is 0.4 into 0.4p, which is 0.16p. You need to just understand कि एलेक्स ने 40% सेव किया है जितना रह गया था, तो 60% स्टैन ने सेव कर लिया तो 40% रह गया. तो अगर प्राइस p है, तो अगर स्टैन ने 0.6 कर लिया तो 0.4 रह गया, तो 0.4 का 40% एलेक्स हैज सेव्ड. तो आई हैव कैलकुलेटेड कि एलेक्स ने 0.16 सेव करा. ओके, नाउ हैंस का जो शेयर होगा स्टैन और एलेक्स का टोटल मिला के इट्स 0.6 एंड 0.16, विच इज़ 0.76. सो हैन ने पे करा होगा 100% में से 76% इज पेड बाय whom? By Stan and Alex. So that is 24% is left. वो Han ने पे करा, right? So Han's share is how much given in the currency, that is 30. So 24% of P is 30. What Han has paid. We don't know the total now, so this is P. So we have P is equals to 30 into 100 by 24, right? So we have the answer as 125 as the total cost, total price. Okay, is that clear? So these 4 questions were important. You can rewatch the video if you have any difficulty in understanding of any of the steps.